I'm making Ovaltine here. I'm just gonna take a little bit.
And then what
Yummy.
else? What are we going to do? We
That's
need a
like
little bit of
hot
hot
water.
water. And then, ano ka, kuha ka ng spoon.
Cold water.
Spoon. Tapos, eto na. Spoon.
Spoon? Okay.
Spoon.
Small or big?
It's okay. Iyan lang, iyan naman. Then, mix it well. Show them.
It's warm.
Show to them. Show to them.
It's warm. It's a little warm, so careful with this.
Mix mo ng mabuti. Then,
Ice, and then more
snack
water.
time. Ayos. Okay. Or what? Ano mo na? Ayos. Lagay ka ng ice.
Take off all of the ice.
Lagay mo na ice na yan. Dun sa, ano.
Oh, there looks so cold.
Okay, so,
I'm just gonna get another spoon because it's super cold.
no need.
Okay.
Just use your hand.
Okay. I'll try to use my
Kasi nag-wash ka
hand.
naman ng kamay, di ba?
Oh
Kailangan-
my, it's so cold. So cold. I
And
like
then,
that they're so cold. I'm
mix
gonna
it
use
well.
all.
Apo. Mix mo na. Mix mo.
Oh no, you look super cold and you need more water for this, right?
And then, normal water.
Normal water. I like normal water.
Okay
Careful,
na.
little bit.
Mix it. Mix, 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 mix. Then, is it done?
I don't know. Let's check. It's like dark chocolate a little bit.
Oh, you taste it na. Taste, taste, taste. Taste na, taste na. Okay?
It still needs more mixing.
Okay.
Done.
Done. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Wait, I'm gonna try it.
Okay.
Bye. Thanks for watching.